How to scrape and enrich any data on the web using Clay Chrome extension. As you can see, I'm here on a website. It's a French website, but it doesn't matter, with events that are added periodically. I want to scrape a few info about these events, such as the title, that info, which includes people's names and their companies, and then the date and the place where the event happens. Here, as you can see, I've installed Clay's Chrome extension, and they allow you to build what they call recipes. So basically, as you can see, that one is already done, but I can add attributes. So you're going to map any form of data in this. So for instance, I can add this text. It will be, I don't know, subtitle, for instance, and then boom. So it's added there, and it scrapes all the data, right? So I can save my changes, and my recipe appears here. So what I'm going to do is, let's say these people update these events every day, and I want to reach out to these people, right? These guys. There is no way currently to automate things with the Clay extension. So you could do it with other ways, like an NA10 API being triggered, or API or whatever. But with Clay, you can't do that. But it's still very simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the scrapping as a CSV. I could also add it to a workspace, but every time it creates a new table, which is annoying and not what I want. What I want here is come to that table that I've already set up with enrichments. And then I can go there, and I'm going to upload the CSV that we just downloaded. It must be that one. Yeah, so I'm just going to click continue. And then, as you can see, the new variable that I've added, subtitle, is here. I'm not going to add it for this time. Then I just add it. So as you can see, I had 48 rows. Now I have 55 ones, because I already had scraped the page and I added the new CSV. So I didn't have to select the new events. I just download the new page, including all the data. And since I deduplicated this column, Clay does all the heavy lifting and just keeps the new data, right? And that's what's great, obviously. And then all the enrichment runs automatically. So here I have quite a few of them. I am searching for the company domain from this information, for instance, like Châteauroux Métropole or Denso Insights. It finds the company domain. Then I can extract the name here. I can infer if this is indeed the name, and then I can search for the LinkedIn URL of that person. And once I have that LinkedIn URL, I can find their work email, which is amazing, right? And the beauty of Clay, as you know, is that everything is automatic, right? So I can just set an alarm once a week and basically just export that and download my CSV, drop it here, and then I could even add more. I could send that to a sequencer and automate outreach campaigns, whatever, right? I can do basically anything. And that's the power of this Chrome extension.